of January 10, 2025, Linfen City in Shanxi Province was struck by an earthquake. The tremor, which originated in the Yaodu District of Linfen, occurred at exactly 8:31 p.m., sending strong vibrations through the area and nearby regions.
哎呦我的天哪！世界末日了！给这哥们儿来。
Initial reports from local authorities, based on a mobile alert, estimated the earthquake's magnitude at 4.4. However, later revisions by the China Earthquake Network's center downgraded the magnitude to 4.1. As the earthquake struck, buildings in Linfen shook violently, causing a momentary sense of chaos. In residential areas, furniture such as beds and televisions rattled repeatedly, while items on shelves fell to the ground.
全是雾呀！啊！哎，我这边也是。全雾呀！哎呦我去！真是啊！
Videos circulating on social media captured the aftermath, showing worried residents pouring out of their homes and gathering in open areas to avoid the risk of structural collapse. A local resident shared that he was attending a class on the third floor when he suddenly felt a slight tremor in his legs. Moments later, someone's phone alarm sounded, followed by noises from the roof, as if something was being moved. Some students mentioned that it was their first time experiencing such a strong tremor. Despite the moderate magnitude of the earthquake, its shallow depth of 20 kilometers amplified the shaking, making it more intense and alarming. The earthquake's effects were not confined to Linfen alone. Residents in nearby cities, including Yulin and Yan'an in Shanxi Province, reported feeling noticeable tremors, with some describing it as a wave-like motion that caused lights and hanging objects to sway. While there were no reports of significant casualties or major structural damage, the psychological impact on residents was evident, as many shared their fears and experiences online. This earthquake in Linfen follows a series of recent seismic events across China, raising concerns about increased geological activity in the region. Just days earlier, on January 7th, a powerful 7.1 magnitude earthquake struck Tibet, causing severe damage and prompting widespread evacuations. On January 8th, another tremor shook Shanxi Province, further contributing to public anxiety about the potential for larger and more destructive earthquakes. Experts have noted that while the recent quake in Linfen was moderate in scale, its shallow depth and proximity to populated areas heightened its impact. Shanxi Province lies in a seismically active zone, and earthquakes of varying magnitudes are not uncommon. However, the recent frequency of seismic events in western and northern China has sparked renewed discussions about disaster preparedness and the need for accurate and timely reporting of seismic activity. In the wake of the Linfen earthquake, local authorities have been quick to respond. Emergency services have been placed on high alert, and teams have been dispatched to assess potential damage to infrastructure, including roads, buildings, and power lines. Although no major casualties or damage have been reported as of now, officials are urging residents to remain vigilant and be prepared for aftershocks, which could pose additional risk. As Linfen and its neighboring regions recover from this latest event, the emphasis on preparedness and community resilience continues to grow. The earthquake serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable power of nature and the importance of remaining vigilant in the face of potential disasters.
地震了，西线刚才地震了，躺在床上，床都晃呢，没有地方去，满大街溜达，街上也是人，基本上有车的都出动了，都在街上。小区里的车瞬间都全出门了，院子里的车位都空了。